Hey guys, so thanks for clicking this video. My new PINCHme box arrived today, so yeah, I'm gonna do an unboxing. Wow, it's really full this month. Alrighty, so first is this coupon. What is this? Oh, okay. I think this is an ad. QP. Okay, so it's this kind of sauce, I guess. Save $1 on any one package. This is not even a free sample, I guess. This is a coupon. And then Heinz mayo. Save $2.50. Yeah, that's actually a pretty good deal. Let's see. This is a coupon for 75 cents off these next pair of Band-Aids, I guess. Okay. Waterproof Band-Aids. Cool. Oh, there we go. This sample of their dressing. Perfect. I love samples and sample of the mayo. Always good to have these, you know? Plus, since they don't need to be refrigerated, I can just, put them in with my lunch and that'll be cool. So, Dr. Dennis grows alpha beta extra strength daily peel, 2-step peel. So 3 treatments. That's pretty cool. So 3-day supply. I mean, yeah, okay, that's pretty awesome. Here's the packaging if you want to read. And wow, okay, so this is a HelloFresh gift card. If anyone wants to use it, feel free to. I've tried HelloFresh. Unfortunately, it didn't work for me. The meals were a little bit more complicated than my personal cooking skill. I just wasn't able to spend an hour cooking them. They were, great, but they just weren't what I thought. And not to mention, I didn't have a working oven at the time, so like some of the things require an oven. But it's really nifty. They have a really useful app. You can choose what meals you want. They'll send you the recipe, all the ingredients. I mean, will it save you money versus going to a restaurant? Maybe, but like I had the 4 meals, 4 meal meals, like 4 serving meals, and very easily by adding extra rice or something, you can have 5 meals. I was regularly eating 5 or even 6 off of the 4 meal pack, as it were, 4 serving pack, because I would take a smaller serving to work for lunch. So, but yeah, so free to the first person to use it. If you do use it, please leave a comment in the comment section to let people know that you've already used it, and no one else should try to use it. I mean, if you guys would like another code, I have gotten a couple of emails to come back to HelloFresh that I can give you, but yeah, leave a comment though if you do use this code, alright? And let me know what you think. But this was my PINCHme box for this month. Have a great weekend, guys.